Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified when your girl uploads. So today's video is on a carnival look, y'all. I have never done a look this extensive before. Every time I've sat down and tried, my kids got up so I couldn't complete it. So I'm so excited about this look. I actually shop with Shanel Cosmetics. She's been in the game for about, honestly, I think over 5+ years. Might be exactly 5 actually. I think in 2018 she started, and she has great beauty products for an affordable price, guys. I picked up the Carnival palette because it was only befitting that I would do so for this look. And I also picked up some of these cuties to attach to the look. So in this video, honestly guys, I'm really not going to be doing too much talking. I'm actually going to do one eye off camera. I normally just take pictures of these looks, but so if you don't have the palette, it's a beautiful color palette. All the things that you could like, look at this. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I don't even know where I want to start, honestly. I'm gonna dive right into this right now. So okay, so this is what I came up with, y'all. I have never done anything like this before, and I think I'm gonna cut the crease again right here, but with that blue, just to define it, because I feel like it got lost. Yeah. Woo, y'all.